just came out the bottom of the... Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're gonna be trying to find, what's going wrong. We're gonna remove some parts. We gotta do a leak down test, try to see, if it's like coming out of the exhaust or the intake where it's leaking. Not gonna be guaranteed, if we find the issue, that it doesn't mean like the rods are bent or anything. So definitely worth the opportunity. Let's go ahead and get started. We took out the spark plug in cylinder 1. It's pretty wet down there. It has low compression in cylinder 1, like I said in the last video. But if we look here, there's a lot of blow by. I mean, that's pretty common, I guess, with the whenever you tune a B58. But that just seems like pretty excessive. I mean, it's got 100,000 miles, but damn, that's a lot. So I guess just what really sucks about this whole process is, we're gonna start just tearing stuff apart, looking for something. And it sucks because it could be something so simple, but the fact that it has low compression guarantees that it's something not simple. At least I'm not hoping it's something too complicated, but we think it's either piston rings or the valve. So we're gonna just start taking stuff apart and trying to inspect, what went wrong. So Matt just got here, but we're gonna do a little startup. It's manually opening the exhaust. Let's see it. Yo, bro, you got an MPPSK now? Okay, I see you. Oh, what's going on here? Bro. Now, this is the goal, though, with this car. After we get it fixed, top mount is the goal. I mean, maybe not. I don't know. It would be awesome. The injectors are so loud. Okay. Well, I can't see it. Oh, yeah, no. Let's see. All right, well, back to this project soon. Now we go back to the cool car. Yo, your icons actually look crazy right now. It looks fine. Are you change them?
Anything weird right now?
Yo, that's pretty cool actually. Yeah, you can change them. Like, maybe I get those for these too. Nah, they OEM though. I don't need that. Yeah, you have to actually you have to take off the whole bumper. Put you in your eyes.
Swing throttle.
I ain't gonna. Oh, this little downhill slope is crazy. Basically, the car doesn't weigh anything.
Yeah, I don't know. I might switch back to the other exhaust. I don't know how I'm feeling this one. What do you think?
I think it's sick, but I think the Sencal, I don't know what it was before.
Sencal sounded really
It just sounded, yeah, it had a good little tone to it.
Alright, bro.
Take a right. Yeah. This is a good road actually.
Is this all-wheel drive or rear?
all the way crazy. Second gear is a little
Holy shit, bro. This is crazy. I think it's the next one. Bro, we just turned off the car like a second ago. Turbo's still spinning. It's crazy. All right, yeah, charge pipe coming off. Tools, big flathead.
I need him some big, this body's supposed to be good.
No, it's got shit on it though. I had it. Oh no, I got this one right here. This is the clean one.
Which one's wrong?
Hammer? I ain't gonna lie, I feel like I don't have a hammer.
I
Psych. Yup. But yeah, bro got the Cooper Cup jersey on. Bro got traded like 4 years ago.
That's why it's destroyed.
I bet, you know what? I bet he comes back to the Rams like at the end of his career. I could totally see it.
He
But
won a Super Bowl with both, but he was MVP with the Rams.
damn, that is crazy. He got 2 Super Bowls. Is he Hall of Famer? I don't know.
How did I do his?
He never did the charge pipe. Cool. You just gotta yank that bitch off. Bro, yeah, the blow by is crazy right here. Like, bro, he's struggling with the charge pipe.
Damn, there's hella oil just came out of there. Holy fuck. There was not all there 2 seconds ago.
Yo, that's actually ridiculous how much oil. Dude, what? That is oil. That just came out the bottom of the charge pipe, yeah. What if the turbo's just bad? Why is there oil, that much oil coming out of the charge pipe? Look at that. Damn, okay, there's so much oil.
The charge pipe is ridiculous.
There should not be that much. That's what, blow by then, right? That's just straight oil.
Turbo.
If it's bad turbo, that's best case scenario, right? I mean,
No, it wouldn't.
I mean not
the
best
bad
case,
turbo
but
may
like,
cause this. Like the extreme blow by caused cylinder 1 to like have a super knock or something, and then fuck up the piston because there's too much oil and it was way too low in octane.
I mean, look in here. I bet
3 type shit.
I bet there's hella oil in here.
Yes.
Yeah, this charge pipe will just not come off.
Maybe it'll turn it a little bit. Pull up that way slowly.
You want to move the fan back? Just kind of push the fan back a little bit. All right. Yo, I mean, it's literally just straight oil underneath. I mean, that's just, look at that. Group chat.
Was it oily or
No, it was good. It was clean. So,
Is it? You think that's brake fluid?
is the oil
All
comes
the
out?
yeah.
Dude,
all
I
the,
mean,
all the
it's just
rappers
like,
be
yeah.
talking about. Gen 5. That's how you can 60 out.
Some more right
We'll
here.
take a peek in there.
Yeah, let's see.
How wet is that? Yeah, it's pretty wet. It should not be glossy like that.
Like, oh my god, it's literally like. I mean, it's literally like a puddle in there. It's literally, I see a small puddle, but like. I mean, I know there's definitely a lot of blow by on tuned cars, but like this just seems.
Put a 6969 in this and fixed everything.
You know,
Steven's like, fuck you.
chill.
I hate this. This is like the hardest connector to get off, and for literally zero reason.
Yeah, it's like, hey, it looked like it almost. It's like you were doing one side too much or some shit. There you go, we got it. Yeah, you put that on the blue towel.
Is your parts good for so far?
I guess.
You got
Probably gonna have to
everything
expand, but everything should be over here, and then.
Should we really go in the basement?
Yeah, we could probably just do that for now. Oh, this is ridiculous though. Holy. No doubt taking the engine out, you think? Or,
If it's valves, you can keep the engine in if it's just valves.
because then you can, yeah, you don't have to.
The head's gonna have to come off, but you can do that in the car, I'm pretty sure. That's what I did in the 46.
Say if we do end up doing any of that, like, maybe take off the front bumper.
Oh, everything's coming off.
Okay, cool. I was gonna say, just so like to avoid like, I don't know if we're gonna accidentally drop shit. I would hate to like mark up the bumpers from all the time work. You know, like I think at shop they put like some type of cover just to protect your paint and whatnot. Now we got the fan off. There's a little bit more room, but we're trying to manually turn the crank, right? So if we manually do it, you can kind of like, can you hear anything or
All we're
like?
gonna do is see how high up each piston goes to see if the rod is bent.
Okay. Yeah, you can measure or just kind of get a grasp of it. This shit's not easy.
Should be. There should just be a fucking bolt head you should be able to turn. But there's 4 of these.
There's no
gotta
bolt.
be a special
Nothing in the middle.
Well, there's 4 little bolts, but if you
Kern
turn
doesn't
one,
have the
that's gonna
answer?
break some shit.
Does Kern not have the answer for the first time? Kern does not have the answer. No, I'm just kidding. You think Kern like ever watches any videos like people doing shit and they just throw his name out and name drop him?
Probably.
Like, yo, shout out Kern. All right, so we got a Boroscope going down through cylinder 1. Let's see. I already know it's pretty like. Let's see.
Yeah, there's a bunch of oil right there.
So yeah, I mean, what is that to the left? Is there any like to the left? You see that like over there? Like, what's all that? You see that? Is that like carbon buildup? You think?
It's wet for sure. It's either oil or coolant or gas.
But all those little like
Actually, it's not
that thing,
gas.
that thing poking out. What is that? That's just like
That's the valve little cutout. That's supposed to be there's 4 of
Okay.
them because you have 4 valves.
I mean, you can't really see anything exactly from there that looks. There's nothing looks jarred or scored or like
Yeah, the walls look fine.
from at least from there. But and then if we manually turn it, then that would go down, right? And then we could see a little bit further down. Is what you're
It's
saying?
fine if there's a little up there. It's fine. But if it's on like the main part, like that silver part,
Yeah.
if there's a lot, it's not good to the other side.
And that would happen from just not.
That happens when
Getting
the piston
lubricated?
is going bad.
Okay.
I got it.
Well, I say, so far that might be it for today. We have to get a leak down test and just see if, if it's leaking through the intake or leaking through the exhaust. But you want to go through, are you going through 2 now? You can go through the other one just to kind of compare. We got the first one and the second one. You can kind of see it like, at least comparison. You know, like,
That one's a little wet too.
yo,
See, that one's way further down. That's the thing. This is
that is way further
this
down.
is where we need to be on cylinder.
Yeah.
See how it's like nice and smooth. You don't see any.
Yeah,
Weird
nothing
shit
looks,
going on
no,
there.
yeah, nothing. I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Kind of just remove some, a lot of blow by. We're gonna get the tool to try to manually turn the crank so we can move the piston down so we kind of see the cylinder walls a little bit better. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.